Okay, let me talk about the physical understanding of a plasma frequency, and I will provide a heuristic method to deal with that. I think you can consider the neutral plasma like just like two electron ion overlaps like neutral, and then like in the region like locally it has a little bit charge separation, so like ion and electrons separate a little bit, and then without any without considering the collisionality and other jazz that we may need to consider in the future, then they would just like oscillate like that. It's just like a simple harmonic oscillator in a way. Just keep doing that. So let me provide a very quick calculation which compared to the analytical full rigorous way to calculate it, it will become much more simpler. So let's consider the separation between those two species is D. And we know from the psychological Newtonian mechanics, the acceleration equals to the mass dot acceleration equals to the force, which is the electric field. And if we consider this like a capacitor, then we know that the electric field can be expressed as 4 pi sigma. Sigma is the charge surface density. And the charge surface density can be considered as N naught d qs, because they are separated by the distance d. If the background density is n, then the charge separation density will be around charge separation area density, like surface density will be N naught d. And then the Q, of course, the charge of the species of interest. And put this E in here, and they just take this as a omega square, negative omega square. But let's just take the amplitude, because the force is inward, so those two are the opposite. But if we only take the magnitude, it doesn't matter. Just for the sake of simplicity, we've got, and we ended up having the exact same plasma frequency, square root 4 pi n naught q square over ms. So pretty much we can consider this like a two blob of charge separate without considering collisions, then we'll just keep doing this. Like, so it's an intrinsic, in a way, an intrinsic frequency that a plasma presents, because it has like density, charge, and mass. So it's like an intrinsic parameter of a plasma. So this parameter has been used to simplify equations and to understand the physics, and it will appear over and over again for the plasma 1 course, and of course the whole plasma physics.